So same thing as the adult side, we have adolescent, so you were in both of those. So this is our TMS room here. This will be for depression, anxiety, probably also post-traumatic stress disorder. We just launched this and we're now accepting patients on this, which is really cool. We'll be moving into this space as well, doubling our square footage. And every room's view has the mountains in some aspect of it, which is just great. So that's our goal.
Preventive medicine is a beautiful thing, but it doesn't work for everyone.
It doesn't work. Nope, we know it unfortunately, it will be used to max capacity the day we open. Let me show you our
Well, we're originally from the Midwest, and we came to the Valley in 2013, more or less on a part-time basis. And when I retired in 2020, we were able to become full-time residents and members of this community. We certainly do enjoy everything that the Valley and the mountains have to offer. Our first contribution to the behavioral health initiative out here in the Valley was to the Your Hope Center, which provides counseling for adolescents actually in the school system, which we felt was very important.
And from there, we heard about the development of the Eagle Valley Behavioral Health Facility here in Edwards, now called the Precourt Healing Center. And knowing how important it is to have a facility that addresses not just adult but adolescent needs was something we really wanted to support. Sometimes preventative medicine doesn't work and you need an inpatient facility. And what Vail Health is doing here in this campus with outpatient and inpatient and community outreach is just something that is wonderful. When one encounters the need to get mental health services, it is not only frustrating, it's emotional because you're dealing with issues of somebody you care for.
No one should have to spend time in a jail cell or an emergency room or in a more threatening environment than what they already have. And this facility will provide a safe environment for adolescents, for adults, especially people in close proximity here.
When we made our donation to the Precourt Healing Center, we wanted to address the adolescent wing, knowing that sources of help are far and few between. And when it was presented to us that the outdoor patio would be a wonderful venue, we thought, yes, that's where we want to have the money sourced.
The spectacular view, the ambiance, the peace and quiet that the venue provided.
I think what really appealed to us with that adolescent wing was the fact that adolescents would be treated separate from adults, and also that there's nothing wrong with getting treatment there. And to show you that there's nothing wrong, here's a space for you to thrive in.
My hope for the future would be to see a completely empty building, which means that we have addressed the problem and we've done the prevention and we've gotten the cure. Beyond that, we'd like to see people being treated fairly and with dignity and with the most advanced means possible.
We would love to see a facility like the Precourt Healing Center, which is a prototype. It's a standard, it's the gold standard. And the fact that this small community can create a healing center, it can be done other places too. We're just really proud that this community is in the forefront of not just the Valley, but in the state and the country of providing services to people who are in need.